Hey everybody, good afternoon. We're getting ready to do a video on incorporating uh, edible plants in your garden. Uh, and we have two in our garden so far. The front of the house, we have blueberries. I'm going to show you two. We have two blueberry plants in front of the house, and I'm going to show you those. And then I'm going to go around to the back of the house. We have a blackberry plant. Also, in the back of the house, we have other types of edible plants as well, but I'm not going to discuss those. Just mainly the two. Most of the plants we have in the backyard right now, we're going to take down to Lily of the Valley Community Garden. That's in about an hour drive from here, almost 9 acres. We're working on that property now, and we're going to transport many of the edible plants from the backyard to that location. So mainly that's why I'm doing this video, is because we're actually working on the property now. We're in the process of having a vehicle, a tractor, uh, maintenance done on it, and we may be considering getting another tractor to replace that one. Okay, so that's why I'm doing these videos, to keep some kind of content on the website until we start working on that land, Lily of the Valley Community Garden. Now we'll be gone for about a week, but when we come back, I expect to be out there working on that property. But I'm going to show you here the two edible plants that we have to incorporate in your garden, and we have blueberry plants here. They're kind of small, and I'd rather keep them this small. I don't want them to get too large in the front, so we're going to try to keep them small. These plants have nice blueberries. We got two. I don't know much about the blueberry plants, but you needed two in order to have berries to come on the plant. So we got two plants here, and each year we have berries come on these plants. Now this one don't look too great, so I got to do I'll probably do a great cutting. I'm gonna cut this back as soon as I get finished with the video. The blueberries, and they bloom every year. This one is doing really well, and on the property, Lily of the Valley Community Gardens, it's about 9 acres. We're gonna have many blueberry plants out there, so that's why we was testing these plants to see how well the blueberries would do in zone 10. But we see that they're doing great, so we probably have at least, I would say, 200 plants out there. So in each year we have blueberries, and all you gotta do is keep them fertilized. I fertilize these twice a year. I put water on them, you know, when I have the sprinklers on, so they get all the water that they need. And we haven't had no problems with diseases, other than this one here. After I cut the oak tree down, and it was getting more sun, but it's still living. I got to prune it a little, and the name of these is powder blue blueberries. Okay, powder blue blueberries. Okay, so I'm gonna keep your fertilizer on them and keep water on them, and keep them pruned back, and you'll have blueberries every year. But you got to get them before the birds get them. Okay. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go around to the back. Okay, I'm in the back right now. What you're looking at is a banana plant. Plant. You can incorporate this in your backyard if you want a banana plant. We had this here for about 6 months, and it's been doing well. We haven't had no bananas on it yet. So banana plant is a good thing to have in your yard as well. And also, over there in the corner, we do have a pepper plant. This plant has been doing well, so I would say uh, a pepper plant is nice to have in your your garden at home, uh, or in your yard. Pepper plant, and this pepper plant been producing all year long. So pepper plant, edible plant, a nice edible plant to have in your home garden. Also a banana plant. Now I'm going to move over. We have other plants back here, but I'm not really going to discuss those right now. Uh, Tomato plant could be a good one as well. And also some of these other little, like greens, mustards, good plants to have. An edible plant in your home garden, in your landscape. Now this is a dragon fruit plant. It's a nice plant to have in your home garden as well. It's an edible plant. So I'm going to move over here. And we have the blackberry plant. This is the one I want to go to. The blackberry plant is a nice plant to have. Now this one is growing a little out of hand, but I was going to try to get some cuttings off it to put in pots. I want to move some of these over to the properties. So I'm going to try a little cuttings off of this blackberry plant because they produce sweet berries in the summertime. Uh, this is about, I think, 3 years old. So I said we probably have about at least 25 of these out there on the property. This blackberry is a wonderful plant to have to incorporate in your home garden. All you got to do is keep it fertilized. As you water your lawn, it'll survive off the water, and it's doing really well. Not nothing you have to spend a whole lot of time on. Uh, so it'll produce as long as you get a fertilizer and water. Well, anyway, uh, that's about the end of this video on incorporating edible plants in your home garden or your home landscape. Well, anyway, uh, thanks for tuning in on this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll be talking to you real soon. Have a great day now. Goodbye.